Hello everyone. This will be our third video on how to integrate for asset management analyst multi-agent systems with AI to make their job easier.
Hello. Today I would like to take a closer look at one of the key aspects of this system, data integration and document enrichment. How is it possible to centralize all the information of our facilities?
The process starts with the data collection and normalization agent. This agent is responsible for collecting information from various sources, such as CSV files from CMMS, CMMS, ERP or SCADA systems, and unifying them into a standardized format. In addition, validation algorithms are implemented to ensure that the data is accurate and reliable from its origin.
Interesting. Thus, all the information that we have today scattered in different systems is transformed into a single, homogeneous database.
Exactly. By having all the data centralized, the historical evolution of each facility can be analyzed much more efficiently. But it is not only a matter of integrating numerical data, it is also essential to enrich this information with complementary documents and generate automatic reports so that managers have a clear and accurate view of the status of each asset.
What do you mean by supplementary documents?
I am referring to all the technical and support documentation that supports the operation of each facility. This includes electrical projects, audits, due diligence reports, and economic studies performed in specialized tools, such as PV-Syst or Homer Energy. In addition, we incorporate manufacturers' manuals and maintenance records to offer a comprehensive perspective. For this purpose, we have a documentary enrichment subagent.
So, while the collection agent collects the operational data, the enrichment subagent is responsible for incorporating all that additional information to give context to the numbers, correct?
Exactly. By linking operational data with technical documents and audits, we get a much more complete and detailed view. For example, if we detect an anomaly in a plant's production, we can immediately consult the corresponding technical studies or audits to understand whether it is due to a problem in the infrastructure or an update in maintenance procedures. This correlation allows us to reduce analysis times and make more informed decisions.
That sounds very useful. Currently, when we review reports, we have to search through different files and reports to get that information, which is time-consuming and can lead to errors.
And that is precisely the advantage. By centralizing and enriching data, we drastically reduce search time and the likelihood of overlooking crucial information. This not only improves operational efficiency, but also strengthens strategic decision-making, even enabling the creation of advanced predictive models.
I understand. Having a unified and enriched database means we can rely on the information to do predictive analytics, evaluate performance, and plan improvement actions, anticipating potential failures or inefficiencies in our facilities.
That's right. Data integration and document enrichment are the cornerstone of any in-depth analysis. With this structure, we can identify trends, detect problems before they escalate, and optimize resource allocation. Moreover, by having contextualized information, our predictive models become much more accurate and allow us to generate proactive strategies.
I see that this approach not only improves the quality of information, but also adds value to decision-making. What economic impact do you think this process can have on the company's operations?
The economic impact is very relevant. By automating data integration and avoiding information dispersion, we significantly reduce manual work hours and associated errors. This translates into cost optimization and a faster return on technology investment. In addition, with accurate and contextual data, we can anticipate problems, minimize risks, and avoid costly rework or unexpected operational downtime, thus generating a positive impact on profitability.
That is exactly what we need, a solid database that allows us to act proactively and efficiently. Data integration and document enrichment seem to be fundamental steps to modernize our asset management and ensure sustainable growth.
Undoubtedly. This approach creates a robust foundation on which to build the rest of the multi-agent system, facilitating deeper analysis and comprehensive information management. By having all documentation and data centralized, we not only optimize daily operations, but also enable advanced analytical tools that can transform the way we make decisions, enabling process automation and the implementation of artificial intelligence.
Very good. I am convinced of the importance of this process. It is clear that centralizing and enriching information not only improves efficiency, but also strengthens our responsiveness and strategic planning.
Exactly. With this data infrastructure, you will be better prepared to face challenges and seize opportunities based on accurate and up-to-date information at all times, allowing you to constantly evolve your operational strategies.
Thank you for the detailed explanation. Today, I have understood how data integration and document enrichment are fundamental to have a comprehensive view of our facilities. Can I contact someone to further advance in this topic?
Of course you can. You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacarrata via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can help to improve facility management.